Hi everyone, how would you like to get some of the best-selling magazines and newspapers delivered to your smartphone, tablet or laptop for free? Well, with the Libby app you can, and it's available free of charge to anyone who's a member of Somerset Libraries. With Libby, there are over 3,000 magazine titles to choose from, including Radio Times, Hello, The Economist, National Geographic, BBC Good Food, Men's Health, Women's Health, Gardener's World and Country Living, to name just a few. And it gets even better because you can explore 12 months of back issues of each magazine title, and there's no limit to the number of different magazines you can download. And don't forget, you can also download newspapers. In fact, you can access over 1,000 daily, weekly and monthly newspapers from over 100 countries and in 60 languages, including the Daily Mail, Daily Mirror, Daily Telegraph, Guardian, Independent, Observer, Western Daily Press and hundreds more. You can start downloading magazines and newspapers today. All you need to do is look for the Libby app, that's spelt L-I-B-B-Y, on Google Play or the App Store. And when you've selected the Libby app, just look for your local library and then log on with your library membership number and PIN number. Are you not yet a library member? No problem. To register, just go to www.librarieswest.org.uk/join, and you can use your new digital membership number and PIN to log on to Libby and start checking out digital newspapers straight away. If you are a member but have forgotten your PIN number, please go to www.librarieswest.org.uk and click on Login at the top of the page and then Forgot My PIN. We will send you an automated email to allow you to reset your PIN. If this doesn't work, please email us at librarieswest@somerset.gov.uk. So, what are you waiting for? Get the Libby app and start downloading your favourite magazines and newspapers. You'll even be doing your bit for the environment and saving paper.